Alright guys, Homestead know-how, life is good. So we have fixed the bracket on the tractor that holds the weights in place. Let me show you the old flimsy piece, super thin stuff. Is in need of repair. And we took a piece of angle, welded it on after we ground everything down, and we spray painted everything so it don't rust. And now the orange beast is ready to ride again and do some more work. I think this is a 76 model's tractor, I believe, and from what I understand it's a gray water tractor, which means it was never meant for use in the US, I guess, from what I've researched. So we'll let this paint dry. It's a little tacky right now, and we'll put the weight back on, or the weights. Not the best welding job in the world, but it'll definitely hold. And well, we'll get out there and see how long it'll last before we have to fix something again on her. But this has been a good tractor for me and the guy that owns it now. Not really had any issues out of it, neither has he. So, alright guys, life is good. Get out there and do something. Homestead know-how. Like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell.